Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're back on Wellington Drive. Did some recent videos. We covered Ambani Estate. You can check that out. I'll put it in the comments if you haven't seen that luxury townhouse villa development. Prices range up to 2 million US. We did 39W as well. That's another luxury futuristic design apartment complex. You guys can check out those videos. So today we're taking a look at Wellington Rose. That's been under construction for quite a while. It's moving a bit, too slow for my liking. The billboard has lost its color, but you guys can probably see the design, what it should be like when it's finished. So that's how it should look when it's finished. Wellington Rose, right here on Wellington Drive. Alright, so it's moving a bit slow. So not much has changed since the last time I came here. But it's close to the 39W, close to Ambani Estates, close to Ligani, and it's the Wellington Rose. Of course, this is a drone video, so you guys definitely stay tuned so you get some drone shots when I'm finished with the intro. I'll try to send the drone into Ligani as well, so you guys get some glimpses of Ligani, which is the town close to this development. So you guys stay tuned for that. Wellington Rose, remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to definitely share the video as well. And if you've watched a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, not sure what you're waiting on, but subscribing is free. Subscribe, join the family. We're growing and we're heading to 20,000 subscribers. Alright, so what I want to show you guys a glimpse of as well is a townhouse very close by, like 5 seconds drive from here. They did a really good engineering job with it. They dug down the stone off the hillside and created 3 townhouses. So I'm going to show you guys a glimpse of that. Every time I come and look at the Wellington Rose, I always highlight it as well. So let's head on out. So the rain was falling earlier, so it's literally right here, right at the foot of Oak Shore Road. But I'm gonna pass it and then get a better shot. Alright, so this is a look from the other angle. So we have Wellington Rose down the road, and then this was an hillside, basically stone. So they dug down the stone and created those 3 townhouse units. It's either 3 or 2 though. It could be 2, probably one with more bedroom than the other. But it's a real good use of space, and it's some real engineering at work. It was built very quickly as well. It's not a very large complex, so they finished in no time. All it needs now is some color and some tenants to enjoy. They won't have any neighbors though. Well, not too close by. But yeah, just wanted to highlight that as well, as we highlight the Wellington Rose. When I set up the drone, I'll try give you guys some aerial shots of that small townhouse development as well. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned for the drone, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thanks for clicking, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, thanks for all those who donate through PayPal. Thanks to everyone. So thanks for clicking on this video, and we'll send up the drone now.